Do you want to start a YouTube channel, but you don't know how to start, you don't know when to start, and you just don't know anything about YouTube? Well, this is the video for you. In today's video, I'm going to share with you why I think you should start a YouTube channel in 2025, especially if you are over the age of 40. 2025 is the year for women to shine. It is the year to share your story. It is the year to share your gift. It is the year to share your expertise. It is the year for you to jump on YouTube and share what it is that you want to share with the world. And the reason why I believe so is because I believe that this is one of the best platforms for you to share your message to the world. Whether it is that you want to inspire people through comedy, you want to show people how to start a business, you want to show people your expertise in music, YouTube is the place for you to be. And there has never been a better time than now to get started on YouTube. Firstly, let's talk about the exciting opportunities for diverse creators on YouTube. It doesn't matter whether you are 20, 40, 60, it doesn't matter if you are black, if you are white, it doesn't matter whether you live in America, in the UK, it does not matter. YouTube gives the same opportunity for everybody around the world to be able to share their voice and their story. It's a platform where diversity is key. Everybody wants authenticity. So whether you're looking for somebody who is black and is a musician and teaches the piano, or you're looking for somebody who is white and is into gardening and you want to learn how to grow the best roses in the world, there is something for everybody on YouTube. Young, old, black, white, it really doesn't matter. It is a platform where it doesn't matter where you are starting from, you have an audience that is looking for what it is that you are offering. And it's a place where you can build real, authentic community, which is what you want. No matter what it is, that whether you're selling something or you're not selling something, whether you just are looking for connection, YouTube gives you the opportunity to be able to build an audience that are just like you. It's a place where you can find your tribe. It's a place where you can find your people. And I honestly think if you're not on YouTube, then you must be crazy, especially now where YouTube is promoting smaller channels that have less views, less subscribers, channels that are new, that are fresh. YouTube is now promoting those channels more than it ever has before. So if you have not started a channel before, now is the time. So how do you get started? Well, first and foremost, you have to understand who it is that you are, what your passion, your skills, your gifts are. What is it that you want to share with the world? Firstly, you have to define that. You have to understand that, because one of the mistakes that a lot of people make is they copy other people that have big numbers, big subscribers, big viewers, thinking that that's the way to go. But at the end of the day, authenticity is key. What is it that inspires you? What is it that empowers you? What is it that you want to share with your audience? You know, because people can tell at the end of the day, people can feel your spirit and your energy through the camera, and they will know if you're being real or if you're being fake. So first thing you have to do is you have to think about, what is it that I want to share? What is it that I am passionate about? What are my gifts? What are my skills? What are my talents? And that's where you need to land with your YouTube channel. That's where you need to pick a niche, pick a topic area, pick a subject matter, whether it is business, whether it is finance, whether it is music, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, tech, whatever it is, there is an audience for it. It could be the most random thing ever. Honestly, sometimes I go on YouTube and I think, how on earth has that channel got so many subscribers? How on earth? But it has, because there are people out there that love what it is that you are creating and what you have to say. So don't worry if it's something that's completely off the chain, completely random, something completely different. It doesn't matter. If that's what you are passionate about, that's what you need to be creating. Now, once you get your channel idea and the concept, then you've got to start looking into creating the videos and the more technical side of things, which is I know the area that a lot of people stumble on and they trip up on and they get very concerned and overwhelmed with. But you don't have to be overwhelmed. You just need to try and simplify it as much as possible. You will see people creating content with the most fanciest cameras, the flashy cameras, the DSLRs, you know, the cinematic type of videos, but you don't have to do that. You really don't. Again, I have seen channels that have been the most basic of basic channels. People sitting in their cars just talking. People just walking down the street. People just, you know, just in random places, just talking. And they've got thousands of views and subscribers. So you don't need to overthink and over worry about the tech side. If you've got a phone, that's all you need. You don't need any fancy equipment. Just use your phone. The key thing is that you just have to get started. That's all it is. You just have to start by using what it is that you've got in your hand today that you can use to start creating content. So if you've got a Samsung, an iPhone, it doesn't matter what kind of phone you've got, just start. You don't necessarily need external microphones. Yes, they help. Yes, they increase the quality of the sound, which is important. But as long as you've got clear, crisp sound coming from your phone, just start. So don't get overwhelmed with the tech side of things. Just use what you've got. When it comes to the editing, again, don't get overwhelmed with that. There's lots of free things out there that you can use in order to help you edit your videos. So don't get stuck in your own brain. Don't get stuck in the mindset of I need to do this, I need to know that. Learn as you go. Learn as you go. But the key thing is get started today. Also, don't stress about being perfect from day one. There is no such thing. Everybody starts off rough and raw and not fully getting things right, making mistakes, tripping up on words. You know, I remember when I started on camera, I was a hot mess. A hot mess. And sometimes that's what people want to see. They want to see that real, authentic you that isn't perfect. Everything isn't perfect. You don't look perfect all the time. You know, you've got spots or your hair's all over the place, or, you know, you've said things wrong or you've tripped up on something. It really doesn't matter. People resonate and people relate to real people, to reality, to authenticity. So don't overthink about making everything perfect, saying everything perfectly, reading everything from script. At the end of the day, you have a perspective on something that other people don't have. You may be in the same genre, you may be talking about the same topic, it may be the same subject matter, but nobody has the perspective that you have. Absolutely no one. Yours is unique. So getting started on YouTube is not about perfection. It's about knowing what it is that you want to say, what do you want to deliver, and it's delivering that in the best way possible. Now, obviously, over time, things will improve, you will get better, your videos will get better, audio, everything will improve, but you have to start and start where you're at. Don't worry about perfection, don't worry about things going wrong, it doesn't matter. Sometimes you will find that it's the videos that you think are going to be the worst types of videos, they're the ones that do the best. I found that myself sometimes. I'm like, how on earth has that video done so well? When the more polished ones just didn't do as well. So don't overthink it and don't worry about perfection. And finally, I just want to encourage you that there are so many people out there who have started channels later on in life, or who have just started being successful in what they're called to do later on in their life. And if you think about it, YouTube used to be kind of more of a platform for the kind of under 30s and the, you know, the younger generation, but it's so not that way anymore. People are crying out for content from people that are 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and above, because of the fact that there is so much wisdom that comes with that age. There's so much more knowledge that comes with that age, that even if you are, you know, somebody like me who has a channel at age 53, there are people that I know that are inspired by the things that I do and the things that I say that are in their 20s. So it may not be my main target audience, but, you know, at the end of the day, wisdom is wisdom and it helps whoever it is supposed to help. So I really want to encourage you that if you are, if you are more mature and slightly older, honestly, people are crying out for your perspective on things. People are crying out for your knowledge, for your information, for your gift, for your skill, and just the wisdom that you bring that younger people don't necessarily bring at this age. So I just wanted to put this video out. I just wanted to encourage you to jump on YouTube. I'm going to be doing more videos about YouTube, how to get started, do more training on YouTube, because I've had quite a few people ask me about it recently. And so, yeah, it's definitely time for, especially for women. I don't know where my women at. Drop me a comment down below. Drop me a comment down below. If you are looking to start a YouTube channel, let me know. Let me know what topic are you looking at doing. I'm here to help, to support and guide, and let's just take this journey together. Because at the end of the day, YouTube is a brilliant platform for sharing your story, your message, your expertise, and it's also a platform that pays you. Let's just be real, ladies. We need to get the bag. We need to be standing on business. We need to know that there is money to be made also from being on YouTube. And I know from people that I've spoken to before, the finances are not financing right now. People are in need. People need funds, finances. People need money. Cost of living is insane. Everything's expensive. So listen, if there's a platform that are willing to pay you for showing up, then let's show up. Let us show up. So leave me a comment down below. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, let me know. Got any questions, let me know, and I'm here to help. And I'll drop a link down below also of a free opt-in that you can just grab that will give you some tips and some pointers on how to get started with your YouTube channel. I hope this helps. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.